working on.
Ramogi kawadhi nyime ni Gavana ma Migori Ochillo Ayacko kwedo kang' mar piny owacho mamalo kokalo migawo mar arita mayo gi jorit mag-gi koloso e log tich mar kaunti ma Migori. Ochillo koni piny owacho mamalo owinjo ti kod apisas mag obila e chiwo arita ne jopiny masani ng'ur kamanyo ratiro margi. Ochillo yango ni ok obidok chien e nyiso ng'ur ma jopiny kaluwore ngima sani oidho kendo chiko yie ne jo Kenya mondo ng'any ma ok owinjo piny owacho mamalo migi kum mora mora. Weche go sir kod jaod bura Masuna West Peter Masara ma bende okoni jopiny mane oyierogi nyalo miyo gi arita to kochuno bende ginyalo manyo jorit kigin.
I received a communication from my security officers provided by the national government that they had received directives to report to Nairobi. I have not been communicated to by anybody in Nairobi, and I do not know what they are up to. I just pray that the citizens of Migori County, the Kenyans that I work for in Migori County, are given security. As for me, I am as good as I've always been. I'm not scared of anybody. I am not planning to do anything unlawful. I do not plan to engage in any dangerous activity. If you ask me about Maandamano, Maandamano is a right that no government, that nobody can take away.
My first security is God and the people of Sona West. Because one police officer cannot protect me throughout, but the people of Sona West usually protect me. Mine was called to Nairobi, he has not come back, he has not communicated to me, but I believe he's doing the right thing.